But I'm satisfied with my project. I'm ready to move on to carving and producing the product. I can move to the upper right-hand corner and select the large green Carve button. This will bring up a menu, prompting me to confirm several characteristics. It'll ask me to enter the exact thickness of the material, which I had already inserted. I can confirm that. It'll ask me to confirm that the smart clamp is installed correctly, which we already did as part of the setup process, and that it has been clamped in place. It also asks me to confirm that the retainer clips are installed correctly. When I lay out my workpiece, it's important to remember that the software notes where the lower left smart clip is located. The software does not know where the additional retainer clips that I installed are, so it's important to remember the location of these when placing my work in the design field so that we don't accidentally cut those retainer clips off with the router head. After confirming the material is secure, we choose the type of the pass that we're selecting. This is going to be a roughing pass because I put a coarse bit in the machine, a 1/8 inch diameter bit. I'm going to hit continue. I'll confirm that I installed the 1/8 inch upcut bit by clicking confirm size. And now I'm ready to start. I just need to make sure that Carve's interior is clean, close the door, and I'll be ready to hit carve. What we just saw was the initial roughing pass to generate our text and shapes. If we wanted to go into fine detail to get really good quality text, we would then need to do a detail pass using a small 1/16 or 1/32 inch bit. We would just go through the initial process just like we did to set that up and do an additional pass. Once we're done, we can go ahead and vacuum the interior of the machine using the included shop vac that should be located near the machine. Make sure you clean not only the workpiece area, but also the router, the inside of the windows, and any other dust that spills into the general workspace. This has been an overview of the Carve CNC router provided through the Nebraska Library Commission Library Innovation Studios grant. For additional information, please refer to your SOP. There's also great resources available on Instructables.com for this tool.